tell you without hesitation. The beginning of this piece. The words have the appearance of truth.
Listen.
He who hesitates in front of prowess has the appearance of a twisted man.
Youth is decayed, ruined, broken, and love is in such a way as to extol a fee from all in its power.
Listen.
Everyone must do his part, and afterwards he won't be exempted. Won't be exempted.
Love acts like the spark that smolders in the fire's soot, then burns the wooden straw.
Listen.
And then he does not know where to flee, who is consumed by fire.
I'll tell you how love acts. On one side it looks, and on the other it signals. Here it kisses, there it cackles.
Listen. It will be straighter than an arrow when I'm its confidant.
When I'm its confidant.
Which is never. Love used to be straight, but today it is twisted and chipped and has taken up the habit.
Listen.
That where it can't bite, it licks with a rougher tongue than a cat's.
Love will hardly be sincere again since the day when it was able to part the honey from the wax. Rather it knows well how to peel the pear.
Listen.
It is sweet to you, a song of lyre, only if you cut its tail.
Cut its tail, darling, that's the trick.
He is dealing with the devil who covets false love. He doesn't need another rod to strike him.
Listen.
He doesn't feel more than if he were scratching himself, until he is skinned alive. Love is of detestable lineage. It killed thousands of men without a sword. God did not create a more fearsome enchanter.
Listen.
It wouldn't make more of a fool from the wise if it held him in a leash. In a leash.
Love behaves like the mare that wants one to follow it all day and says it will not give respite.
Listen.
But wants to be mounted, mile after mile, whether you are starving or sated.
Do you think I don't know whether love is blind or shady? Its words are soothing with poison.
Listen.
Its sting is gentler than a gadfly's, but more difficult to cure.
He who acts after the sense of a woman deserves all the ills that may befall him.
As the scripture teaches us,
Listen.
woe to you if you do not guard yourself from it completely.